Holy hailstorm, Batman. What the hail? Look at this. This is nuts. Here goes our Easter egg tree. The golf ball time. So you can see. Woo! Alright. Holy moly. Wow. Oh, yeah. That's not good for the paint job, is it? Wow. And here comes the rain. Let's go get a big hail before I get banged in the head. Ugh. That's a big one. You gotta be kidding me. Good thing that didn't hit me in the head. Alright, we're going in. Later.